Ow. Okay. All right, you ready?
Yes, bro.
There we go. I'm trying to help me get rid of hiccups, so don't try this at home. All right. See if I can do this or not. I'll try it, but I don't know if I can. There goes all my money. 1, 2. I don't know if it helped my hiccups. It didn't help my hiccups. What for nothing. I was hoping it helped my hiccups, but it didn't work. See, I still got the hiccups.